Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to download or save WhatsApp status on iPhone. First of all, open up the WhatsApp application. After opening the app, go into Status and tap to view the status of your friends from here. To save a photo from the status, just simply take a screenshot of it. Then tap on the screenshot and crop the part of your friend's profile and reply icon. After that, click on Done and tap on Save to Photos. Then your screenshot will be saved into the gallery. Now to save or download the video, make sure to turn on the screen recording. Then open up the WhatsApp and open up your friend's video status. Once you record the whole video from status, get back to the gallery and tap to edit the screen recording of your video status. Then click to crop the video and from here, tap on Done to save the video into your gallery. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.